Hi, everybody. I want to show you just a couple of really quick things that you can do to clean up your Canvas site for students as they're getting started this quarter. I'm here on my homepage for my Math 107 class. Your homepage might look a lot different than mine, and that's fine. It might have modules in it. But if you're here at the homepage, over here on the left-hand side, you've got a lot of options, and one of them is the student view. I like to use this so that I can see exactly what students are viewing. And a lot of times you'll notice when you click on student view, that you end up with a lot of tabs over here on the left. And maybe the majority of them you're not going to have students use. So I want to go ahead and clean up my tabs that I've got over here on the left. Something else that you can do in student view is to click on your modules and see exactly what is available and what isn't. And I'm looking here at my Getting Started module, and I noticed that I don't have my welcome video available. I know I posted it, so I probably need to go and check the green checkbox, which I forget a lot. So the student view is a great way to see what the page looks like for your students. All right, let's leave student view. We're going to clean up those tabs over here on the left-hand side. It's quick if you know how to do it, but there's a lot of things that are quick if you know how to do it. So I'm going to show you exactly where it is. You go into settings. To get to those tabs, you're going to click on navigation up here at the top. And the ones that are up on top are the ones that your students can see. The ones that are at the bottom are the ones that your students cannot see. So as I'm looking at the ones that my students can see, I've got Zoom, and I'm not quite ready to do anything in Zoom with my students. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull that down. I'm clicking and dragging it down to the items that are hidden. I do want to leave the support resources. My lab and mastering, that's how my students get into their online homework. Maybe I want to move that up to the top. So I'm clicking and dragging that up to the top so I can change the order of these as well. What I'm not seeing here are my Panopto videos. So I want to grab my Panopto videos. I'm going to go down here and look very carefully. Unfortunately, mine are not in alphabetical order, but I see my Panopto videos there. I want to go ahead and click and drag this up into my viewed videos. And I'm going to put them towards the bottom. I'll put them right here, maybe between people and support resources. You can change these around as much as you want. Don't forget to click save. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And once I've done that, and I'm also going to go into modules and look for that video that I forgot to make available, and there it is. So I do have my Getting Started module viewable, but within that I've got my welcome video hidden. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the publish button. So if you're like me and you get those messages from students saying, hey, where is that assignment that you posted? And you think to yourself, I know I posted it. Go back and check to make sure that you clicked that green box. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check student view. I'm going to go back to my home page. That's a great place to grab student view. Student view is going to pop up over here on the right-hand side, and I'm going to click student view. I see that my navigation tabs have changed, which is great. Let's go ahead and go into modules and make sure that my welcome video shows up. And it does. I hope this helps.